Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our English class. Look at the picture and observe for few seconds.
I'm a sparrow, I say hello. Tweet, tweet, chirp, chirp across the turfs. I'm so tiny and dainty. I'm known to sing some sweet ditties. I take to my small wings and hover over flowers and large bowers. I'm spread over in all corners. I perch on trees and nap in peace. I find my roosts up on your roofs, also in some cozy nooks. I take to my small wings and hover over flowers and large bowers. Bird, seeds, bugs, leaves are what I eat. People feed me lovingly. I flock around the parks to see if my friends are out to feed. I take to my small wings and hover over flowers and large bowers. I build my nest with care and zest. I love my clutch very much. I feed them till they're 2 weeks old. I make sure they stay warm in the cold. I take to my small wings and hover over flowers and large bowers. I live for 3 years, chirping cheers. My flock is seen as we bathe and preen. Bird baths in yards spread out wide. We splash and play, we chirp with pride. I take to my small wings and hover over flowers and large bowers.
Dear students, where are you? I just asked you to observe the picture, but you were thinking about the words. You were in dreams only. You were listening a music, a song, and you were watching so many activities of sparrows. What you have seen? You have seen how the sparrows are dancing, singing. Yes, swimming, and they were flying, and they were taking care of their children, their babies. Yes, students. So I hope you have enjoyed that song. So today, students, we are going to enjoy a story about sparrows. So what is the topic? The topic is Nina and the baby sparrows. So shall we start? Okay, we are starting now. There was a joy in Nina's house. Nina's aunt was getting married. You can see here Nina in pink dress. On right hand side, Nina's mother is there. On left hand side, Nina's aunt is there. Who is getting married? Nina's aunt is getting married. So there was a joy. Joy means happiness in Nina's house because Nina's aunt was getting married. Nina, her father, mother, and little brother were all going to Delhi for the wedding. Everyone was happy except Nina. Now you can see in the picture here from the left hand side, first one is Nina's father, in second picture Nina's mother, And in third picture, Nina's little brother. These three are happy. Why they were happy? Because they were going to Delhi for the wedding. Whose wedding? Nina's aunt. But Nina was not happy. Nina was not happy, and all three are happy. So, what you are thinking? Why Nina is not happy? Why Nina was not happy at the time? So, we will see why Nina was not happy. So, where Nina were going for the wedding? Delhi, New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. I know you all are very smart and you all are so intelligent, you know it. So, her mother took her to market to buy a new dress. Nina's mother took Nina to market to buy a new dress. Whenever you all have to go for wedding, you all go for shopping. Yes, for purchasing new dresses, new accessories and new shoes and sandals. Yes. So likewise, Nina also went to the market with her mother for shopping. You can see here a picture of market. Yes, the market looks so colorful and so attractive. Nina's mother asked Nina, "What color would you like?" So Nina said, "I don't want a new dress." So Nina's mother said, "Salwar kameez then? Would you like to have salwar kameez?" Then Nina said, "No, I don't want a new dress." "What about those lovely white shoes you saw last week?" Nina's mother asked Nina, "What about those lovely white shoes you saw last week?" Nina said, "I don't want those either. Thank you, Mom." Nina's mother was upset, but she said nothing. They went back home and had lunch. Nina's mother took Nina to the market for shopping, but Nina was not ready to take anything. So her mother get upset. She was thinking, what is the reason? Why she don't want to purchase anything? So in market, Nina's mother didn't say anything. They came back to home, but she was upset that time. They went back home and had lunch. So after coming back home, they had their lunch. After lunch, mother came and sat near Nina. "Why did you say no to everything?" "What is it, child?" Nina's mother asked Nina, "Why you are saying no to everything? Why you are not purchasing anything? What is the matter? What is it?" So mother was asking to Nina, why you are not purchasing anything? Why you are saying no to all the things? "Mother, I don't want to go to the wedding," Nina said. "But why? Why don't you tell me what's bothering you?" Then Nina said to her mother, "Mother, I don't want to go to the wedding." Then Nina's mother surprised, shocked. Why? Why you don't want to go to wedding? What is the thing that is troubling you? Why you are in tension? What is the reason? So Nina said nothing. Instead, 2 big tears rolled down her cheeks. Nina was not able to say anything. She just started crying. Okay, 2 big tears rolled down to her cheeks. Then Nina said, "There is a sparrow's nest in the bookshelf, and there are 2 baby sparrows in the nest." Then mother said, "Oh, I see. This is the reason. They are just beginning to get their feathers, and growing up makes them so hungry. All day long they cry chip chip, asking for food. If we go, the whole place will be locked. How will Papa and Mama sparrows feed their babies? Nina said to her mother that in her room on the bookshelf, two baby sparrows are there in the sparrow's nest, and they are just growing up. And when they are growing up, they feel so hungry. All day they cry for the food. And if we all will go, then how Mama and Papa Sparrow will come, and how they will feed the babies? Then mother said, I see, but that's not problem. We will leave the window open. Then mother understands the problem, and she suggests, and she gives an idea. What is the idea? She said, we will leave the window open. Oh, can we, mother? Can we? Really? So, Nina was surprised and became happy because what she wants that baby sparrow should get food. So, her mother was saying about that thing only. So, she was happy. So, she was not able to believe that her mother is saying she will open the window. Oh, can we, mother? Can we really? Yes, we will remove all your things from the room and lock the room on the outside. Then the mother said, yes, we will remove all the things. We will make the room empty and we will lock the room from outside. So the house will be perfectly safe. And Papa and Mama sparrows can come and go freely too. So her mother said, okay, when we will leave the window open and we will remove all the things from your room, then the house will be safe and Mama and Papa sparrows can easily come and go freely. Just think, Nina, while you enjoy yourself at the wedding, the baby sparrows will be getting nice and fat in their nest. Good idea, isn't it? So, Nina's mother said to Nina, just think for a second that when you will be enjoying in the wedding, the Mama sparrow and Papa sparrow will come and they will feed the baby sparrows. They will also get here food and they will become fat and you will also enjoy. Is it a good idea? Yes, isn't it? It was a good idea. When Nina came back from the wedding, there were two plump little sparrows flying all over the room. So, because of that idea, Nina became happy and Nina got to the wedding with her family. She enjoyed here a lot, and after coming back, what she saw in the room, that two baby sparrows, two plump little sparrows flying all over the room. Plump means fatty. Okay, plump means fatty. Okay, fluffy. Plump means fluffy, fatty. And wasn't Nina thrilled? And when she saw that two baby sparrows were flying all over the room and they are so fluffy now and they are fat, so Nina became very happy and she was just thrilled. She was extreme happy to see the baby sparrows flying all over the room. So students, have you enjoyed the story? I think so you have enjoyed. Okay students, for today this much only. Take care, stay happy and stay healthy. Be at your home, don't go outside, and enjoy your online classes. Thank you students. We will meet in our next class. Take care. Bye bye.